In this project, I have created a chatbot. So first step is to creating a django project in the PyCharm, and then we are creating for the app. We are creating the chatbot project inside our django app. That is by using django admin start project chatbot. We have created one chatbot project here. So after the creation of the chatbot project, we will get this chatbot and chatbot folder. So here we are having the different files. So after creating this project or chatbot project, I am again creating one app inside that chatbot project called chat app. So in this chat app, I'm going to write one folder called templates and write this chat.html page. This chat.html page, here we are writing the title of that page as the Django chatbot, and here I'm using the async function, and then we are writing like this is the user input. So we are getting that by the ID of that user input, and we are getting the URL data which we are sending, and we are storing that in the data variable. And after that, we are getting the chat box, get a chat box values, and here we are giving the user input and response. And again, we are resetting it with it. We are emptying it, and then next here is chatbot main page body. So here is the ID which we are fetching, and also here like yeah, here we are giving all the required values like border, height, and overflow. And here we are giving the input like type is equal to text ID and placeholder. And this is the send message. On clicking the send message, on clicking the send button, we are invoking this send message. And after that, the main is the in our chat app, the views is there. So inside our views, we are having one chat response page, chat response method. So as soon as we receive the user input here, so how the user input is redirected to this chat response. So after creation of this chatbot app, the first thing we are going to do is inside our inside of the chatbot, there is a file called settings.py. So we are registering the app here. So first we are registering the app chat here, and the next step is we have to write the URLs for our chat app. So this is the chat app URL. So if we are giving the URL pattern as get, so it finds the URL pattern as a get, then it will go to this views.getResponse method. So getResponse method is located in the views. So it will go to the here and it will send the user input. So if the user input is hello, it will return hi, how can I help you? The user input is hi, it will give I am the Django chatbot. Otherwise, it will give as bye. And these are other two methods like chat view and get response method. So this chat view and get response method we are giving it here. So whenever nothing is there in our root, so we use dot chat view. Chat view is this. it will reproduce our chart.html page. And when this get response method is called, get response method is called when we are using this get URL. So here here we are getting the request. So in the request we are getting the message and we are storing it in the user message. So after the response we are calling the chatbot response method here, and we are sending the user message to that chatbot, and we are returning the response as a JSON. So this response is returned to our HTML page, that is chat.html. Chat.html, and so uh, so what we are doing is we are then invoking the function send. So based upon that IDs, it will fetch all the values and display the values here. So it's working of our chatbot. And also we need to do one more thing to register our chat app inside the main app, that is urls.py. So we should include this here, chat.urls, in our chatbot project. So that's it. Thank you.